right was with peaceful too. Very happy. Beautiful goal score. They score a goal. Yes, Mehta made it. Mehtab have the ball, Mehtab with the ball. Mehtab is going to goal. Equalized. Mehtab is making 21 goals for Sharjah Police.
You was the chief guest here today, Hockey 5, first time Ramzan tournament happening in Sharjah. How do you feel about it first of all?
Well, I'm so delighted to be here. It was very nice organized tournament for the first time in Sharjah. 16 teams, it's a big number. I attended only the final match. It was a very tough match. It was went to the penalties. I don't know if this is the right call to the penalties or not.
Yeah.
I am limited with this team, with this game, sorry. But it is a very positive indication. It is a new federation with Mr. Abdullah, the chairman, Mr. Abdullah Dah, and they started this, let's say, the first tournament they ever organized, and it is very positive indication that they will lead the sport to very high level.
You are chairman or president of the Sharjah Sports Council. If they need the facilities, you will provide for the players?
Wallahi, in the future, yes. That because the ruler of Sharjah, His Highness Sheikh Dr. Sultan, announced recently that will be a sports city in Sharjah. So definitely we will recommend that hockey will have a place in this city.
What is your message for the Sharjah police team? They've lost in the final, but they struck.
Wallah, I was surprised that they have a team actually. They played very good match. It was very challenging game. They've been down for actually they were down by 3 during the game time, and they come back, draw, played the penalties, and unfortunately they lost. But I'm happy that we have a team already in Sharjah.
Thank you.
You're most welcome. Thank you.